Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's get things ready for Nvidia stock, guys. Let's take a look at the price action over here. And if you have seen my morning video, you are already more prepared than who hasn't seen my morning video. So go and check out all of my videos. All right. Anyways, guys, don't you worry. I'll cover everything in this video as well for Nvidia. And as for the price action, how high can it continue going? Are we seeing some pullback? Right now in the post market, it's $8 down, but come on. I mean, what is $8 down for Nvidia when it makes like moves $200 in 5 days, right? That's just a little bit of a pullback, like little bit of a slip, right? So, but anyways, guys, let's begin right away. Now, if I haven't told you, let me tell you that none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes, all right? I'm just here to teach you how I trade, all right? You can go and do whatever you want to do. I play no role and no part in any of your actions, okay? So, now in the morning, in the video, there was one level showing up here, right, by my indicator at 1,150. Now that level has gone, right? What happened? So the level up on the top right now is not showing up for the reason that Nvidia, though it made a tap out point that we could work with, but it has negated now in today's price action. So that's why that significant level is not there, and that's the beauty of my indicator, that it already take care of everything, which level to give importance to. Is there a level to even take a look at or not, right? So yes, right now sky is still the limit for Nvidia. There is no a tapping point for Nvidia, and yeah, we don't have any significant barriers or resistance right now, at least on the daily interval, to stop Nvidia. So let's that doesn't mean that it can't cool off tomorrow. That's where we will take a look at the intraday levels in just a second on the lower time frame. But before going there, let's actually start off with I just want to show you around a little bit of my day trading bot and my swing bot as well. So let's go to the day trading bot first. And so today also was a great profitable trade. Well, you can see the last 30 trades of data on Nvidia on the table left hand side. So even today was a good profitable trade. Nvidia was selling off early in the morning, but then bot gave a good buy position, and then we made our way up and up. I mean, bot made the way up and up, right? I just used this as a reference. And then even yesterday was a good move on the bot, right? Like a great move. And so yeah, that's my day trading bot. And again, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. On Nvidia, in the last 30 trades, yeah, we are mostly been green. Well, you can see the net profitable number here, right, of the total of the last 30 trades as well. So again, there's no guarantee of anything. There will be red days as well, and these are for educational purposes. Yeah, I mean, I use them as a reference. You can use them however you like, but I take guarantee of nothing, okay? Let's go to the 30 minutes as well. That's where my swing bot is. Yeah, I showed you this in the morning as well, right? So far it's going great. We have been getting partial take profits positions already, and then look at these partial take profits positions given by my bot, already looking great. And then open PNL is still quite strong running over there. So yeah, this position will be the most profitable so far. We are getting close to what this will be $13,000 to $14,000 position. If I just close it over here, that's the total, and that's the highest. After this was the $10,000, but yeah, nothing more than that. Yeah, this one will be the most highest so far in the last 30 trades. So cool. Anyways, as you know, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right. Now, yeah, let's go to the hourly interval and let's talk about a couple of things here. So the very first thing is this the top? Right, you can see in the post market Nvidia is a little bit selling off, some sell-off, right? So shall we mark this as the top? Not quite yet, guys. Look, yes, this looks like a cooling off. It's resisting, right? Sort of forming a double top. Now the confirmation of double top is after losing this neckline of 1124. I would not suggest starting a new position here on the swing side. As I showed you on my swing bot, this is the time to take partial profits, that my swing bot is taking partial profits, right? This is the time to just trade it intraday based off of the level. So if we lose the level of 1123, there may be some downside. I'm expecting to 1106, but at least for now, I would not bet against it more than that, because there's this 50 hours moving average coming in as a support. And then, yeah, again, like these areas then can become an area of pullback if you see the price action holding like a support like this, like a wick forming, strong buying coming in, consolidation happening. That's an intraday long play at those levels, right? And otherwise, and as if we continue to keep rejecting at this level of 1142, yes, intraday this may give cool off. Now on the swing side of cool off, guys, I don't think until split it's gonna do much for you guys. Don't trade swing short Nvidia. You will burn your account, you will blow up your account. Don't do swing short on Nvidia. You have to be very agile if you're trying to short Nvidia. Intraday only do it, as we have talked about a couple of those plays as well when there were those plays. And only if these levels breaks and confirms, then there's some range on the short side can be traded. But just because there's so much mode and so much of sentiment behind Nvidia, you are just better off trading just wait for the pullbacks, wait where the consolidations are happening, and just intraday long it. That's the best way to trade Nvidia. Now, yes, if structure will start to look much more weaker if we lose $1,100, or in other words, 1,107. Then I would say, there will be some more downside that may come, but we are still far away from that. At least for now, structure is still bullish. Intraday, if we stay below 1,141 tomorrow, it can cool off down to 1,123, and after that 1,107, but not more than that for tomorrow. And if we anytime get above 1,150, it's going another run up, guys. Then it's going, because technically structure is in that direction. So technically Nvidia is not that complicated, guys, okay? And this blue box that I have here is because in the morning when we had a little bit lower candle, and I was saying if this has to become a distribution phase, then we have to see certain level breaks. It never did that. This box is just for temporary reference purposes. It hasn't confirmed anything. We're gonna get rid of this box. We don't need this box. And yeah, so yeah, this thing is looking super strong still. And again, if cool off starts to come, I gave you those levels. Otherwise, I gave you the upside level as well. So it's all about as how it reacts at those levels that I've provided. And that's that. So yeah, I'm not, look, it's not, I don't think, in my opinion, before split, I don't think it's going to go below $1,000 before split. Just my opinion. Again, I'm just throwing my opinion out. We'll see if level by level, let's say tomorrow Nvidia does this big red candle, then we'll talk about other things, but level by level. But as for right now, a possibility of that happening, losing $1,000 before split, is out of the question, in my opinion. Just my opinion, all right? I don't sit behind the scene and move the market, all right? I don't do that. I trade with the levels. I try to get my thesis in the most probable direction, and then take a position with the stop loss on the other side, okay? It's all about getting your edge in the market, okay? That's all it's about. All right, so that's Nvidia. Do I want to show you something else here, guys? Let's go to the 5 minutes. Let's talk about some more price action here. I showed you my bots as well already, right? So let's talk about the price action. Let me teach you something more. I think time is allowing me to do that. So what happens at these tops, guys, is you can see the rejections. No, it's not precisely top, but you get my point, right? The consolidation started to come at those levels, right? You're seeing this started to fall. This is where my bot also gave the buying position, right? Confirmation came, we got up, held the level at our day trading levels, plus pullback came and straight shot up, right? So use these levels, trade with the levels, trade with the direction, trade with the sentiment, right? That's the way to trade. Be prepared to pivot as well with the stop loss. Don't average into your losing position. You will be better off picking a direction, and then if your direction starts to, let's say, if you made a mistake, just get out in the stop loss, because small mistake is better than a bigger mistake, right? And then you can flip the position if that's something you ended up doing. But as I showed you, my bot managed it really well. I mean, there was no short position. My bot gives buy positions only. My tools are for long only, guys. Yeah, shorting. I have my other things that I use, but I can't provide them under educational context because shorting is risky, and I don't want to put anyone in the harm's way, even for educational purposes, right? And because most of the accounts that people blow up, they are on the short side. On the long side, you are much more safer because market tends to go higher. Anyways, so yeah, tools are for the long, but yes, you can see that great long position that my bot gave and made good money, right? All right, so that's it for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, guys. QQQ Spy, I already talked about those in my Tesla video. So just check out my Tesla video. I'm not going to talk QQQ and Spy over here. What I actually can show you is SMH. But again, this is just guys been ripping up for due to Nvidia and some other semiconductors as well. But I'm also seeing that other semiconductors are a little bit slowing down. Like SMC, I did a video on that where I'm opening up a short play. And yeah, there's some cool off slowdown coming on the semiconductors, like Broadcom struggling still to go higher. This looks like it just want to crack again. But so you get my point, right? Nvidia is the one that is still holding strong, but it's a different thing, right? It's just a different thing, Nvidia. So anyways, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.